People Maps is unique because it lets you design and build your own personality report. So you can get the report that's actually specifically going to meet your actual needs. There are 3 libraries to choose from. Recruitment library, so if you're going to be hiring someone, then that's the library you're after. If you want to understand your existing staff better, then you would pick the management library. And if you're working one-to-one as a coach, or you're working in training or personal development with someone, then you would select the coaches library. In this case here, let's just look at recruitment. Okay, you've now picked the recruitment library and you have 3 options. The first option is you can pick one of the most popular off-the-shelf reports. So if it's a customer service role, then just pick the customer service. If it's a sales role, then pick the sales role. If it's a contact centre, then tick the box and pick the contact centre. If you click on the view sample, you can actually see what that report looks like. Better still is to design your own report for your specific job role. And you do that simply by coming down here, and you would pick typically around 5 topics. If it's a customer service role, then pick a couple or more of the customer service type topics. If it's a management role, then you might want to know how they manage other people, or what they're like in leadership, or how well they are organising themselves. So again, you might pick some of the management topics. And of course, if it was a sales role, then you might want to pick some of the sales roles. You can mix and match any of these at all. So you can have a couple from management, a couple from the general list here, presenting to groups, for instance, or a couple from customer service. Typically, you're looking for around 5 topics. If you want a really cheap report, then you only need to use 1 or 2 or 3 topics. If you're looking for something much more in-depth and involved, then you might be looking between 5 and 10 topics. So tick the boxes, and once you've ticked the box, simply click on Add, and then give it a name. You can decide what order the topics come in. So if I put that 1 and that 2, then that's the order that the topics will come in the report. And if it's a recruitment, if it's for a job and it's a recruitment application, then you tend to give the report the same title as the job title for easy reference for you. So if this is a sales manager's job, then that would be what we would call it here. And then click on Save, and that is you designed your own personality report in less than 2 minutes.